Yes, guys, this is SJ TV, aka Soul Jamaican Podcast. Well, my people, big up on yourself. Now we're speaking about the one and only Color Smith. Now we see Color Smith consuming some balut. No, this is interesting, people. So, if y'all don't know what balut is like a half-developed chicken inside of an egg. Very interesting stuff. And as our culture as Jamaican, we are not used to consuming eggs in this fashion. And it's very interesting because this is something I see on the bizarre food with angism, right? So with that said, I want to say major shout out, colazsmithtv. Awesome, wonderful content out there in the world representing us as Jamaican doing this content on YouTube. It's wonderful. Very happy to see you doing a great thing. So let's get to the business. No, because this is very amazing, people. And I want to say to all my viewers and subscribers, bless you. So this is something that I always was interested in. Not to say I would want to really try it, but just curious to see it in person, right? And I was just like, they say don't knock something until you try it. This is one of them things like, and they got this fruit. I don't remember what the fruit called, but it's like a stinky fruit, like, right? Y'all probably got an idea what I'm talking about because all these things we see on the Bizarre channel with Anderson. Now we got the great Color Smith out there as a Jamaican, one of us representing, exploring and trying these things. It's very amazing to me because right now these are the things that I want to do myself. Go out there in the world and explore so much the world has to offer. And right now, I might just go over there in the Philippines and go order some balut. I swear to this channel, man. Hey, smash the like. Let's go. The Philippines look very interesting still. Can't lie to you. Lots of motorcycle, which as expected. But the good thing is with this broadcast and Color Smith shows, you know what I mean? See the good side and the bad side, you know what I mean? Because you see, a lot of times, us Jamaican, we have to speak about us, as we know about us. So let's speak about us for a minute. We, as Jamaicans, being home in Jamaica, and we hear about foreign. Sometimes we need to do the foreign research before we jump and say we want to foreign cars. Sometimes you might realize, say, we on the island, it's a big life. We are probably not really want to deeply feel big life we all live on. You realize it when you're forward certain things, we did a look on as foreign. We are foreign, but our lifestyle are foreign, brother. Gone far from where you expect, brother. You understand? So appreciate where you have, G. And yeah, and people them happy, bro. And that stuff is just show yourself. Happy with where you have, G. Better go forward. So yes, you say poor people there everywhere. People are struggle everywhere. You understand? So make way there the best way out. Alright, so with that said, no people. Place look nice too. People them love it. And say, and they ever smile, mean well. As a colors I show you still. And I show you say he might touch certain streets where he wanna advise everyone to just forward and say, alright, we'll do some flagging and just go certain places. Because the Russian speak the language and thing if you not can understand and thing. You can either get robbed or things can go real left. You understand? But so far still Colors doing a wonderful job. And Colors is a people person, so Colors know how to articulate himself and deal with people, so it helps a lot. A lot. So I just want to say, yo, people, make sure so to smash the like so YouTube can push the content out there and we get the algorithm Because you notice it from what here, I haven't been dropping any podcast like that because I've been having some issues with YouTube, my channel. So people help me with this right now. I'm going to push it out there. Yeah. Represent food. No, people, it's good to get out of your comfort zone sometimes, and go explore the world because the end of the day is what you have to lose. You sit and every day you tell yourself you want to go somewhere, save your money and you spend it out back right now, yes, sir. Just save up some money and just step out, man. And time change. You don't have to worry about having family member at places. A whole time days that. Get an Airbnb, check it out, and buy a ticket. And whether you alone, wouldn't advise you to just left by yourself. But if that's your only alternative, you can just go do it because the world is yours. You understand? Just like the subscribe button. Right this are your hand. You're subscribe to the channel, man. You see me? Yeah. And me I tell my people we have to just step out there right now and make it best. I work out there for it. And me I try to show you right now, the colors I do, wonderful thing for the country. Right? Mhm. You have to remember, people are watching worldwide. You understand? Colors, go and do this something. Content them shit. Me I talk about movie theater quality. Mm-hmm. I would tell them to let it team. Sure. Oh, I'm too drunk. Yo. Yo, would I love to see the team out there with colors too, Colors. Well, go on, let's say. Next Philippines trip. There's a climb on the team. Would I love to see the team out there with colors in the Philippines. You see me? The dog them go Brazil before. Colors are doing thing. Now imagine these people. See me, 'cause a lot of people never expected you can do a thing like this consistently on YouTube and it can reach. And tell us you have to believe, You see me? Word to one done, man. You have to believe. You see me put in work and you can achieve your. You hear me tell you today? So I want vibes and me I try to show you say what the man I do right now, bro. I want like the biggest inspiration that you can ever want, bro. What more you want? You understand? This is positive things, G. And if you want something, we can keep you 10 toes down. See me solid. Ain't half it. Worry yourself and not worry about people. Worry about the content, brother. Create. It's all about being creative. See me spend your time wise. These days, everything is worth calling a content. Everything that's happening in the world right now is being documented. Whether you want to be accepting it or not, whether you want to be a part of it or not, you still are going to be a part of it. Because this is just how the world is. You tell yourself, say, yeah, me not in the flagging thing, me not in the figure thing, me not in this or that thing. Chances are you walk the wrong place or just the right place per se. You might just see yourself from a flag where you're going to take yourself out that, take out your phone and start help yourself virgin. Instead of you just call people and find out them business and call people if you care them other people virgin. Start create some content. Try to get one channel monetized. Like I want to subscribe so we can run up a channel and get it monetized as well. But the whole narrative about this thing, brother, inspired them. Just start create G. You see me? And you can go out there, bro, do your thing, colors are shown, you're in an Airbnb, you go somewhere, you create the content, and the content pay back to itself. You see me? Like, I really, really, really meant. So, you have to just know, say, you have to just take the thing to a level where you know, say, you have to consistently do this, and it will pay off. Majority of who you see, I pop more content than want to be on the social media side of things. Them feel like say it gonna just be 110 upload and you know channel blow up and a superstar thing. Hey, you never know. Everybody thinks are all different. The end of the day is the whole story is put in the work. You can't get no results if you're not putting in the work. You understand? We are putting in the work. And we are encourage people to put in the work. Yeah. A big screen thing we are doing. You understand? We say at the new iPhone, we have the 16, big screen. Alright. Turn on it. Right now. Share this video. Mm-hmm.
One code, me stay by all the time. A one code. Ask around and everybody roll with it. Ever since I drove it, me been always with it. Solid since I drove it, I never tell it. No, sir, we are real. Solid as a rock, Gibraltar. Never grow as a ship soldier. No, sir, can't run yourself. The me OG them tell me say, make certain say anything you do make sense in a pocket.